Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we have a product that might just become your laptop's best friend. The FORITO 15.6-inch laptop screen protector. If you spend a lot of time in front of your laptop, you'll want to pay close attention to this one. Let's dive right in. First things first, compatibility. The FORITO screen protector is tailor-made to fit 15.6-inch laptops with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Now, to make sure it's a perfect match for your laptop, measure the viewable display area diagonally from corner to corner, without the frame. It should measure 15.6 inches. You can also refer to Image 2 for precise screen size measurements before making a purchase. Now, let's talk tech. One of the standout features of this screen protector is its advanced blue light blocking technology. It's not just about protecting your screen, it's about protecting your eyes. With a remarkable 9-layer blue light filtering technology, this protector minimizes eye strain and fatigue caused by prolonged exposure to those pesky blue light emissions. So, say goodbye to tired eyes. But this protector isn't just about protection, it's also about enhancing your viewing experience. The anti-glare feature reduces glare and reflections on your screen, making it easier on the eyes. And the best part? It preserves your laptop's original color and brightness, ensuring you get stunning visuals without compromising on protection. Now, let's talk durability. The FORITO screen protector is like armor for your laptop. With a hydrophobic and oleophobic coating, it offers comprehensive defense against scratches, marks, and those annoying fingerprints. The precise fit provides maximum coverage, leaving no room for worries. You can work or play with peace of mind. What's even better is that FORITO stands behind their product. If, for any reason, you're not satisfied with your purchase, their friendly customer service team is there to assist you with any issues or concerns. So, you can buy with confidence knowing they've got you covered. To sum it up, the FORITO 15.6-inch laptop screen protector offers superior eye protection with its upgraded 9-layer blue light filtering technology. It's not just about screen protection, it's about your eyes' well-being. Enjoy uninterrupted screen time with round-the-clock eye protection. That's a wrap for today's review of the FORITO 15.6-inch laptop screen protector. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights, and ring that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest in the tech world.